THINK+change trainings. www.thinkchange.training. Every Customer Matters, a THINK+change 6-part best practices training series, interacting with someone who uses a service animal. Pre-test. Select all that apply. Which of the following statements are true about service animals? A. They are pets that provide comfort and assistance. B. They are allowed anywhere customers are normally allowed to go. C. They should all have a special ID card available upon your request that notes the animal's name, what tasks the animal has been trained to perform, and the owner's disability. D. You should not touch a service animal without permission. Service animals are not pets. Service animals are trained to perform tasks for people with disabilities, such as guiding people who are blind, picking up a dropped item, or alerting a person who is deaf. Service animals are an accommodation. Businesses that serve the public must allow people with disabilities to bring their service animals into all areas where customers are normally allowed to go. Is this a service animal? Businesses may ask if this is a service animal or what tasks the animal has been trained to do, but cannot require special ID cards for the animal or ask about the person's disability. Uncontrolled service animal. You may ask the owner to remove a service animal if the animal is not under control. Do not touch the service animal without permission. Post-test with answer. The following statements are true about service animals. They are allowed anywhere customers are normally allowed to go, and you should not touch a service animal without permission. In summary, service animals are trained to perform specific tasks and are considered an accommodation. Owners of service animals are not required to carry ID for the animal, but may be asked what the animal is expected to do or to leave if the animal is uncontrolled. The Americans with Disabilities Act means that accommodating people with disabilities is not only a good business practice, but it is the law. For more information, go to www.ada.gov. THINK+change. Talks, trainings, tools. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only and is not intended to provide and should not be relied on for medical or legal advice. Every Customer Matters. All rights reserved 2019. www.thinkchange.training.